With gas boilers now gone in Scotland, house builders need to find a new way to support lower temperature heating systems. And traditional floor construction is no longer fit for purpose. Here at ATS, we offer a patented and first-to-market insulation solution that's regulation ready. Trusted by major house builders, it's a solution that can be up to 40% quicker than traditional block and beam, and one that delivers U values of 0.10 or better. This video shows you the 6 stages of installation from start to finish, carried out by ATS and our partners including Energy Store for the insulation, GeoShield for the gas membrane audit, and Polypipe for underfloor heating. And if you have any questions, you can contact the ATS team using the numbers in the video description below. We begin with stage 1, the gas membrane and perimeter detailing. As is standard with any site, if gas is present, a gas membrane is installed and is selected based on the ground conditions. The timber kit can be installed once the perimeter detail is complete. You'll see the main floor area is left without membrane to allow trades to continue unimpeded. It also means we can then drill holes in the block to inject the insulation, which leads us on to stage 2, the super bead installation. Once the holes are drilled, it gives us access to the cavity under the block and beam. There are several tests we do to make sure that we're hitting pressure and filling the cavity. The image on the left shows this with the filled bag, and then picture on the right shows the nozzles that go in and fill the floor. We then work our way back and fill. There are several camera inspections we do to make sure are we achieving full fill. We often drill around fixtures such as pipes coming up. We can fill the cavity with super bead at any point once the block and beam is in. Then once we've finished, we fill the drill holes with a fast drying filler. The whole process of injecting the super bead insulation takes between 2 to 3 hours, and we're then ready to install the gas membrane. So the third stage is the remaining gas membrane covering the central floor. This gets heat welded in or taped together where there are joins, and then our partner GeoShield, the technical specifier, audit and approve our work. Once signed off that it's safe, they apply their stamp of approval, as you can see in the pictures here. This also takes between 2 to 3 hours and is in quick succession after the super bead installation. The video here just shows how we fix the membrane together on site and how it's adjoined and attached to the membranes that are affixed to the dwarf walls from the beginning. With the gas membrane signed off, we move quickly on to stage 4, which is the second layer of insulation with the TLA pour, which protects the membrane. Our transmix trucks are ready on site to do this. As you can see from the images here, we install this to a fixed datum, and we also do some physical on-site checks to make sure we're hitting the right density, which is a weight calculation. And the beauty of this system is there are no joints, no gaps, and it goes to the full edges of the floor. It is literally pumped in, and our specialist install team then level it. In using this innovative product, we also remove any camber that may be present in the pre-stressed beams. This image here is the printout we get that comes from any install the trucks do. So from a quality control perspective, this gives us 100% visibility. The curing time for the TLA is 48 hours, so 2 days later we can move on to stage 5, which is the underfloor heating installation. So the stage 5 process begins with us putting down the separating layer, as you can see in the image. A 25mm thick PIR insulation is installed along the perimeter to avoid cold bridging alongside blue edging foam, which allows thermal expansion and contraction in the floor zone. Using our approved partner, Polypipe, the underfloor heating installed follows a specific map, the route the pipe takes, the type of pipe and space between them. All of that is a calculation of the amount of heat it puts out in terms of wattage. These calculations are to optimize the heating. As you can see in the image, it dictates the length of circuits, flow rates, and inbound and outbound temperatures, which provides the map that is replicated on site. And then we move on to our final stage, stage 6, which is the screed install. Again, using our transmix trucks, we pour a nominal 50mm screed that is optimal thickness from an underfloor heating and strength point of view. You can see from the images the surface is being dappled in order to relieve any surface tension and any bubbles. Again, we have 100% accuracy on the mix being poured from our ITP readouts. Once cured, we have the completed floor fully insulated and ready for floor finishes. And then lastly, here is a graphic render showing you all the 6 stages coming together